What's up, guys? Devin Adventure Hobby Pastor back today doing another video. We're working on Katie again. We're gonna go ahead do the pinch weld mod. I gotta get this cleaned up, do the pinch weld mod, and then I'm probably gonna be building an air system, kind of like a Morflate system, but building it myself by hand for the truck. So this weekend's off-roading event can be better than last time. So yeah, let's go ahead, get to it, and jack her up and, you know, do the stuff. All right, took the tires off, got the it sprayed down. Now it's all dripping. Too bad I don't have my pressure washer. It broke. Video coming on that, but sprayed down on both sides. Now we're gonna take this little baby hammer, see how it goes first, and then we'll go from there. All right, well, the hammer, grinder, and pliers has taken care of one side, so let me show you. Super smashed down right here, which is the pinch weld. It smashed up the fender a lot more because I was rubbing on that. Seen some tire marks on it. So, and then way down here is smashed up, so it's super smashed up right there. Let me go show you the other side. I've done quite a bit of smashing on this as well. You can see it's bent in there. I just barely took the cutter, saws, grinder, cutter right there. It nicked into this part a little tiny bit. No big deal, we'll seam seal it. This is smashed up and actually holding this one in. So we're gonna smash this one in a ton more and get this ready for this weekend. So what the plan is to get this all hammered out tonight, spray it off again. After I spray it off, and Keith showed up, I'm actually borrowing his impact. After I get it all smashed in and exactly how I want it, I'm going to spray it down one more time. After I spray it down, we're going to let this sit tonight and we'll move on to the air system. All right, well, I didn't film stuff as soon as I got home, but I cleaned up, wiped down with some alcohol the truck, and then I seam sealed it. So let me show you the finished product. Boom! Pretty smooth, pretty good. Got away up there, all the way. Sealed all those little gaps. Nothing really went into the truck anyways, but it doesn't hurt. Double check that all the seams are sealed up. Keep your waterproof. And then also, I started building my kit for airline. And there's 100 feet of it. I'm actually building two kits. So far I've got this. So I got quick release here on all three sides. So this goes down here. I'll release that. Release that. So this little package, this little thing will go inside the bag, and then the whole air system lines will go in there as well. So I will have my original airbag, the bag that my pump comes in. I'll be able to put the whole system in it, not have to get another bag. We'll see you in the next update. And just like that, we just built our one of two air kits, and I have it all laid out on my truck, by my truck, to show you it. And it's fantastic because I have this the jack to hold the thing, so pretend like it's filling up. I can also lean it right here on the bumper, but then it's got this gauge. I want the mechanical gauge on this one because simple, easy, it works. But then okay, so we'll put this back, but then it goes down, leads to the first tire thing, which is somewhat cockeyed, but like, move that, plug that in. Not even close to the truck. This is 33 barely tucked up underneath the truck. And then he curls up, easy fit, tons of wiggle room. This truck's wheelbase is 122 inches, so just over 10 feet. So pretty long wheelbase truck, especially for an off-road truck, but no big deal. So this kit will be able to work really easy for pretty much almost all off-roaders. The only one that I see that it's not working good for is like a Jeep Gladiator, because those wheelbases is like 134 inches, but I think there's enough, maybe enough wiggle room, playroom in it that it would. Worst comes to worst, I'm doing a closed loop clips onto it. Worst comes to worst, you do 2 at a time. No big deal. Or you move your air pump closer. Not have that. If that's not as high, you can go lower and stretch both of them out back more, but you know, whatever. So let's get kit number 2 built. All right, well, that sums up, this would be day 2 of working on my truck. I got the, let me show you. I got my mini built air compressor bag, and I have my air kit in here. So kit number 1, kit number 2 in here. I still need to, on both kits, they don't have the air chucks that clamp onto your tires. The air chuck little thing. And then if I get those in time, supposedly Keith is the one who hooked me up, and he has Amazon Prime, so they should be here tomorrow. So that is in time for this Saturday. Tomorrow is Thursday, so I can use this on my first event. Not my first event. First, I can use this on an event of going off-roading, so I can air down quick. Enjoy talking with people, but air down quick. So therefore, that's a good experiment time / more mods out of the truck. Yeah, I'm super excited to try it out. But I also got to modify. If those air chucks come in, I'm going to modify my air compressor to take and do a quick attach on it, because so I can use that air chuck system on it. But if I can't get the air fillet system to work, if I don't get those air chucks to clamp it onto the tires, no point in changing my air compressor, because then it kind of screws me. I can't pretty much make it so I can't air down. But yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow. Voila, and just like that, the pinch weld mod is done and painted up, looking pretty. It's gonna get super dirty, so it'll match the rest of the fender well. But I got all the raw metal from where it's flaking off coated on both sides, and then a little bit of the front slider because it was starting to get rock chips. And I was there, nice and easy. So pretty much, messy hair. Pretty much, we just gotta wait for the air chucks to come up so I can finish my main kit that I want to do, my inflation kit just for my truck. Gotta wait for those. Those should be here tomorrow morning, and I'll be bolting on the tires tomorrow morning, and we'll be ready to go off-roading. So see you tomorrow. All right, guys, and just like that, the truck's done. I'm still waiting for the air system chucks to show up, the air little chucks to clip onto the tires, but let's show you the truck. She looks fantastic. Pinch weld mod getting ready to get used and abused. I got her all greased up on the upper control arms, and then the greasable shackles in the back. I'm actually going to be looking for greasable bolts in the front, and because soon I'll be cleaning up the back end. But yeah, she looks pretty dang good. Need a cleaner, but power washer's not here yet. So we'll see you when the air chucks get here, and I'll show you how it looks around the truck. All right, well, it's the next day. We got our parts in really late last night for getting in that other air system done, but it's Saturday. We're going off-roading right now, so I gotta hurry and pack up. So that's just how I'm gonna end the video. We'll have to show you another video of the air system, but it is freaking sweet. The parts that I got are open flow, and I need closed flow, so I guess we'll do an update when I actually get the good closed flow. But truck runs fantastic. It's out of the backyard. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing with my channel, go out and go find your passions.